Imagine waking up one morning to find that the sky above is brighter, the air sharper, and every breath feels strangely invigorating. At first, people celebrate. Joggers run faster, children laugh louder, and patients with breathing troubles feel miraculously healed. News anchors smile as they announce that scientists are baffled, but many speculate that something extraordinary has happened. The Earth's atmosphere has somehow transformed into pure oxygen. The idea spreads quickly: humanity has been gifted a cleaner, more powerful world. But that excitement does not last. Within days, things begin to unravel. Pure oxygen is not just energizing, it's volatile. Cigarettes light with a tiny spark that spreads into flames faster than anyone can control. Kitchen stoves turn into bombs, and entire forests ignite after a single lightning strike. Firefighters work desperately, but even their water hoses can't keep up. Oxygen-rich air feeds the flames, making them rage hotter and longer than anything in recorded history. Cities glow on the horizon at night, not from neon lights, but from burning streets. The human body also begins to suffer. While people feel strong at first, their cells are working overtime. Pure oxygen corrodes the lungs, causing dizziness, headaches, and eventually convulsions. Hospitals overflow with patients gasping for breath, ironically drowning in the very air that once gave them life. Scientists issue frantic warnings: oxygen toxicity is not a slow killer, it's immediate and unstoppable. Divers who had studied this in deep-sea experiments try to explain, but by then, the crisis is everywhere. Animals change too. Insects, which rely on oxygen for growth, begin to mutate rapidly. Harmless ants grow larger, stronger, more aggressive. Mosquitoes breed at terrifying rates, their bodies swelling as if designed for a prehistoric age. Spiders, beetles, and dragonflies reach monstrous sizes, recalling a time millions of years ago when Earth's atmosphere was richer in oxygen and nature was dominated by giants. The balance of ecosystems shatters overnight. And then comes the greatest fear: explosions. Factories, cars, even human breath near open flames risk setting off catastrophic blasts. The world realizes too late that every spark, every match, every engine is a potential weapon. Airplanes fall from the sky as their engines combust uncontrollably. Power stations erupt into fireballs, plunging regions into darkness. Civilization begins to collapse, not slowly, but in a chain reaction of disasters. In the chaos, a hidden truth is uncovered. Deep in an abandoned research facility, a group of scientists admit they had been experimenting with atmospheric manipulation. Their goal was noble: to reverse pollution and restore the planet's health. But they underestimated the consequences. Something went wrong, a machine activated, and the shift happened overnight. Now, humanity faces a single question: can it be undone? The scientists reveal a desperate plan. If they can reintroduce nitrogen into the atmosphere using massive chemical dispersers, they may restore balance. But the machines needed are fragile, and the flames raging across continents make it nearly impossible to operate them. Volunteers are called upon, ordinary people risking everything to transport and protect the devices. The climax comes when the first machine is activated. For a moment, the sky shimmers, clouds shifting in strange patterns. A faint chemical mist spreads, and readings show that nitrogen levels are rising ever so slightly. But just as hope ignites, so does the building housing the machine. Fire roars closer, threatening to consume the last chance for survival. Volunteers form a human shield, enduring the scorching heat long enough for the disperser to finish its cycle. The world holds its breath. Then, slowly, the fires begin to dim. Flames no longer leap with impossible speed. Air readings stabilize. People collapse in exhaustion as they realize the impossible: the atmosphere is returning to normal. But the damage is immense: half the forests gone, cities in ruins, millions lost. The survivors look to the sky, no longer blue but a hazy gray, and wonder if humanity deserved the second chance. And here comes the twist: while nitrogen returns and balance seems restored, hidden in the oceans lies an aftershock of the event. Pure oxygen had dissolved into the water, fueling microorganisms in ways never seen before. In the depths, plankton blooms explode with unnatural growth, glowing with eerie light. Scientists warn that something new is evolving beneath the waves, something that thrives in the lingering oxygen-rich waters. Humanity may have survived one apocalypse, but another may already be rising from the deep. Would we still celebrate breathing freely if it meant awakening something we cannot control?